Alright guys, there's date and time on the Garmin Furnace 620. And right now we are standing outside of Irion Hall, Elmhurst College, in Elmhurst, Illinois. We happen to have a treat that's right past this door, or right inside this door. But that's right, we have a little elevator here. So apparently the handicapped entrance leads you right to the elevator, which is nice. Now I believe those are C.J. Anderson. I believe it's a C.J. Anderson lantern, but anyways, with that being said, let's take this thing on a spin. It looks like it's got Adams buttons. Sounds really squeaky right there. Anyways, here we are. Here it is. Oh, look at that. Not sure what brand this is, but it looks like it's got C.J. Anderson inside as well. So that's pretty cool. So anyways, we're gonna head down to the basement. Wonder why his level says B2. Maybe it opens up on both sides. And this is where it opens up into. It seems like it goes down a level, but I think it might be locked. Let's see if we could see if there's any indication about what brand this elevator is. Yeah, I still don't have any idea. But it looks like B2 is this level, but there's a key, so we can't seem to go down that level. So now I'll go to 3. Very squeaky when moving. This could potentially be a Gallaher Speck, since a lot of Gallaher Specks use these type of C.J. Anderson fixtures. Anyways, here are 3. Now let's go down to the basement. Door closes right when you push a button. We all love that. Let's get a cab view. It's very vintage looking, as you can see. It's got that little fan vent up there. And there's your fluorescent lighting up top. Definitely tell this is not modern. Anyways, there's your indicator right there. Here's your certificate of inspection. You probably saw those in my other videos. Here are your buttons. And here's your phone. It's a non-EDA phone, but there's still no labels on like what brand it is. Actually, there is a label that indicates the brand of this elevator. It happens to be right below the phone box, and according to that label, this elevator is indeed a Gallaher Speck. I didn't notice the label at first, since I assumed it would be above the phone box, but that doesn't appear to be the case. So now let's head back down to the ground level. However, I did get over those Adams buttons outside did kind of fool me. Kind of thought I would have Adams fixtures, but no, not inside the cab. So here we are back at the ground level. Let's watch it close up. I'm going to open the door a little bit so you guys can see the door closing in the frame. There it goes. And that's it.